Shay, and this is the beautiful Goddard Park in Auburn, Massachusetts. Robert H. Goddard was an amazing person. He was born on October 5th, 1882 in Worcester, Massachusetts. He was born at a time when rockets to the moon were science fiction. He loved astronomy and telescopes, and he also loved to read. One of his favorite books was War of the Worlds by H.G. Wells. Goddard attended Worcester Polytechnic Institute in Worcester, Massachusetts, and then he became a professor of science at Clark University. Professors back then were supposed to be serious, down to earth, but Goddard loved rockets. His Aunt Effie had a farm here in Auburn, which is now the Packagug Golf Course. And on this farm, on March 16, 1926, he launched the first ever liquid fuel rocket in the entire world. The rocket was 10 feet tall. It flew 41 feet in the air, and it was up there for 2.5 seconds. A life-size replica of that first ever liquid fuel rocket that Goddard launched in his Aunt Effie's farm. He continued to work on rockets, making them stronger and faster, right up until 1929 when the local fire marshal told him to stop. At that point, he moved with his family to Roswell, New Mexico, and continued his research. Goddard Park was dedicated on May 25, 1970. And do you know who was here? Buzz Aldrin. Just 10 months before, he had been walking on the moon, and now he was walking in this very park in Auburn. So we could be walking in the very footsteps where Buzz walked while he was here.